This is my open letter to Mr. President, the Grand Commander of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, in the person of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And also, this my open letter goes to the 10th Senate of the Federation, House of Rep members, the Speaker, the Senate of the Federation, and all the 36 state governors of the Federation. On behalf of the concerned and the legitimate youth of Igbo community, we want to use this medium, this opportunity, this great privilege to ask you, Mr. President, sir, that we want you to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally. Why? Because we are not interested in bringing out any Igbo person to run for the position of the president comes 2027. We can never support any Igbo person coming out to run for the presidency. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in DSS custody. And we are begging you, sir, we want you to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for us. You will get massive support from Easterners. I mean, you will get tremendous support from the youth, because only language we understand and only thing I want you, Mr. President, to do for Igbo in this time is to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Today is 29 of the month of April 2025. And also, while releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally, we want you to free him for us. Most especially Igbo governors, Abia Governor, Enugu State Governor, Anambra State Governor, Ebonyi State Governor, and the Imo State Governor, all the Senate representing every constituency in Ala Igbo. We want you guys to put heads together to release our dear son, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. That is the only way you can get our support. That is the only way you can get youth support, both home and diaspora. If you play the role of I don't care, don't forget that it doesn't matter. Must surely matter than call matter. So at this point in time, why pleading for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and I ask myself, what are the offenses of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that made him to stay so long in DSS custody? I come to realize my own conclusion that his offenses are he first make a declaration, open letter to the President and the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that he wants every region to be treated fairly without any nepotism. I think that is his number one offense, right? And the second offense of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is he made it clearly that he wants the government to bring down some of the embassies, to split the embassies. At least 2 or 3 embassies can actually come down to Ala Igbo. It will also catapult the development of Ala Igbo rapidly. I think this is one of his offenses. And number 3 of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu offense are these. He said that he wants government to bring down seaports, make One seaport functioning, make at least have some mini seaport in Onitsha and Warri and every part of places in the seas and the high ocean. At least it will now make the cost of goods in Apapa Wharf to at least to reduce. And I think number 5 of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's offense is this. He said he wants the federal government to construct speed train across the region. It will also catapult the development of the state. It will also yield much income to the federal government pocket. I think this is one of his offenses. And I think another one of his offenses, he said that he wants us to have steady light. And tell me, any countries of the world that does not have light, believe me, it will be very, very difficult for that country to move forward. Because when God created the earth, first and foremost, he said, let there be light, and there was light. And I found it difficult that this country does not have light 24 hours. Some will have light, some will not have light. I'm not surprised. Even the Aso Rock, they are using another means of energy system, another means of power. Maybe solar or generator. So why must it be so? If NEPA can also have generator, who am I? So another one of his offenses, he said that he wants quality education for everybody to get quality education and also to give us good road. The main reason why people are dying of accident is because there's no good road. So I think these are the offenses of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But I want you, the listener, to look deep into these offenses, to tell me or to digest it within yourself. All these things mentioned by Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is it by any means or by any way warrants government to hold him for so long like this? Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for us, and you will get massive support from the Easterners. We are not interested in bringing out any Igbo person. Any Igbo person coming out to campaign for the seat of the president coming 2027 without fighting fervently, without fighting for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that person we will regardlessly call and regard that person as enemy of Igbo and enemy of everybody. Your Excellency, sir, Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, I believe so much this message will pass duly. Thank you very much. My name is Mazi Jpac. Even if you don't like me, throw away me, but this is my word. Please share it massively. We want peace. We want peace, adequate peace. We want security, adequate security in our land. Our people are dying every day. A lot of hijackers have, hijacked the road, hijacked the street. We are not even in support. The person inside DSS is not even support of what is happening. A lot of hijackers have hijacked the road, the street everywhere, kidnappers everywhere, kidnapping young and the old, demanding a huge ransom. All in the name, they are fighting for whatever I don't even know. We are not part of it. We are loving people. We are not violent people. And no Igbo person with his rightful senses can support atrocity happening in the southeast that all these people just hijacked. Sir, please, sir, release Nnamdi Kanu for us and watch how Igbo people will give you massive support. Thank you very much. I hope I make some senses. Thank you.